If Vivaldi is displaying in a language you don't understand or you simply want to switch it to something more comfortable, changing the interface language is quick and straightforward. In this video, I'll show you how to do it, even if your browser is currently set to a language you can't read. I'm actually demonstrating this using Hungarian, which most viewers won't understand, so you can see how easy it is to change everything even in that situation. Start by opening Vivaldi. If you're using the classic layout, click the Vivaldi menu button in the upper left corner of the window and select Settings. If you're using another layout, you may need to move your mouse to the top of the screen to reveal the menu. You can also open settings directly at any time by pressing Ctrl plus F12 on your keyboard. Once the settings window opens, make sure you're in the General section, then scroll down until you find the User Interface Language option. Open the language drop-down and you'll see a long list of available languages. Vivaldi supports many different languages, and each one is listed in its native form, which makes it easier to recognize even if the rest of the interface is unfamiliar. Just scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. After selecting it, click Save Language. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to save the change and restart the browser. And don't worry if you pick the wrong language by mistake. You can always come back to the same menu and change it again, even if you don't understand the interface anymore. Click Save Language and Restart, then confirm by clicking OK if prompted. Vivaldi will close and automatically restart using your chosen language. Once the browser starts again, all menus, settings, and interface elements should appear in the new language. And that's it. Even if your browser starts in a language you don't understand, you can still find your way through and switch it in just a couple of clicks. If this video helped, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more Vivaldi tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.